Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, viewers, or shall we say hello again. So hopefully you're going to watch this from the previous video. There you have it, the final product. So sorry about the previous video. It's sort of I don't know what went wrong really with the camera. I think I tried to put it down and stopped recording. Anyhow, this is the finished product and very nice it looks. I've taken a small piece out over here, and as you can see the vegetables are really well cooked, so let's have a taste of that. Yes, I assure you that tastes lovely. Okay viewers, I do hope you found the video useful. I do hope you will try it yourselves. So once again I make the plea, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Please watch all the videos fully. Please try to watch the playlists as well. So until the next time, I say thank you for watching once again. Please keep watching. Look after yourselves. Look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. Allah Hafiz. Sorry once again for the bad cameramanship, and of course I don't have the editing skills, so it had to be part 2. And as you can see, it is a delicious end product. Try it, it is lovely. Okay, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.